Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today I am making the famous Khalifa Nankhatai of Lahore. Let's make it. For that we need half cup pure ghee or unsalted butter, 1 cup powdered sugar. Whisk until the mixture turns creamy and whitish. In another bowl, add 2 cups white flour, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and pinch of salt, 1/4 cup milk powder, half cup whole almonds. Stir in the flour until everything is well combined. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Crumble and mix, making sure the flour is moist. If the flour is dry, add 1 or 2 tablespoons ghee and mix. I add 2 tablespoons ghee. Get the mixture together, forming a soft dough. If your dough is runny, put it in the fridge for a few minutes. The ghee will firm up a bit and then you can make it into a dough. Spray a baking tray with oil. Place parchment paper on top. Now make ball-shaped dough. Place the cookie dough in a baking tray and flatten them. Give good space in between these as they expand while baking. Take some milk. Add 2 drops of yellow food coloring to it and mix. Food coloring is optional. Brush the milk over the cookies. Bake the Nankhatai in a preheated oven at 375 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes till light golden. Oven temperature may vary in different models, so keep an eye while baking. Let the Nankhatai sit for 15 to 20 minutes in the baking tray before lifting them to avoid breaking. You can store the Nankhatai in an airtight container and enjoy for a week.